Most guys think improving their appearance means buying expensive skincare or grooming products. But one of the most underrated grooming essentials is probably already sitting at home. Vaseline. Cheap. Simple. And when used properly, it can quietly improve the way you look. Today I'll show you 5 Vaseline grooming hacks every guy should know. Let's start. Number 1. Make your fragrance last longer. You apply perfume before leaving, and somehow it disappears in 2 hours. Here's a simple trick. Before spraying fragrance, apply a very thin layer of Vaseline on pulse points, your neck, wrists, and behind your ears. Then spray normally. Since the skin stays less dry, the scent can hold on longer and fade more slowly. Same fragrance. Better performance. Number 2. Overnight hand reset. Your hands say more about your grooming than most people realize. Dry knuckles, rough skin, and neglected nails make you look less polished. Before bed, apply a small amount of Vaseline over your hands. Massage around your palms, knuckles, and nail area. For extra results, wear cotton gloves overnight. You'll wake up with softer and smoother hands. Small effort. Cleaner appearance. Number 3. Upgrade your brows. Your eyes naturally grab attention. And one underrated detail that changes your face is your eyebrows. Not thicker. Just healthier and more controlled. Before sleeping, use a cotton bud and lightly apply Vaseline across your eyebrows. It helps condition the hairs and reduce dryness. Use only a tiny amount. You want neat, not shiny. Number 4. Fix dry lips overnight. Dry lips instantly make your face look less fresh. And most people ignore them. Try this. Before sleeping, gently brush your lips for a few seconds using a soft toothbrush. Then apply a thin layer of Vaseline. It helps trap moisture overnight. By morning, your lips usually feel smoother and look healthier. Number 5. Refresh your under-eye area. If your face always looks tired, your under-eye area might be the reason. Dark circles and dryness are common. Vaseline won't remove dark circles, but it can help reduce dryness and make the skin look more hydrated. After washing your face at night, apply a tiny amount under your eyes. Keep it light. Over time, your under-eye area can appear smoother and less dull. And those were 5 underrated Vaseline grooming hacks. No expensive routine. No complicated products. Try them for a week and see what changes. Subscribe for more practical grooming and self-improvement videos. See you in the next one.
부끄럽소.